Hi, this is Lucy from NutriAdmin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize your questionnaires. So first, let's locate where the questionnaires are. You can either go to your dashboard and click here on questionnaires and notes, or go to the left side of your screen and click here on questionnaires/notes, then click on questionnaires. As you can see here, um, I already have different types of questionnaires that I made before, but this may look different in your account if you're just starting out or if you created your own questionnaires already. So to add a questionnaire, you can just simply click on this plus new questionnaire button, then rename this part as needed, then create new questionnaire. So next step is you look for your um, created questionnaire here, then click on actions, then edit questionnaire. So our next part is to edit a questionnaire. Let's use this client intake form, for example. So there are, um, you click on actions, then edit. So there are four actions that you can do in this when you want to customize your questionnaire. So first, since this is duplicated, the first example I'm gonna show you is to delete a field. So you can just click on edit, then delete field. So then you confirm delete. So there's an extra step for that because this will prevent you from accidentally deleting any important fields that you have. So the next part is moving a field. You can just click on the move button, then you click on where you want to move that certain field. So this client information, I want to move it at the top, so I'll just click it here. So next step is to add a field. So there are two options in adding a field. You can create a new field from scratch. So you can type in here your instructions or your questions, like if you want contact details, you can add that there. If you want the name field, you can also add it there. You can categorize each field in different categories, like personal details for names, um, age or gender, and contact details for their emails and contact numbers, and so on. You can also put custom if it does not belong to any of these categories. So this is helpful when you um, try to generate a report. I'll link a tutorial or explanation about this on the tutorial document. So field types, we have different field types here that you can choose from. We have yes or no questions, we have paragraphs, so text for short answers like names, then numbers, for example, if you want um, a number field for the ages. You can also have radio boxes. Then you can have checkboxes. You have date, table of checkboxes, and HTML like report templates. This is like a Word document. You can also add pictures, change the fonts, the size. You can have it in bold and or italics. So once you're done with that, you just click on apply, then it will show on the in your, let's just make an example for that. So for example, name, and it's a short text. You can just click on apply and this will appear. You can insert it wherever you need it. So let's just put it here. Then it will show you um, your added field. Another example for adding fields, for example, you have an existing um, field in another questionnaire that is repeated and you want to repeat it in this specific questionnaire, you don't have to type it all over again. You can just copy it by using this use existing field option. So as you can see here, when I click that, I can see my other um, questionnaires. So let's say um, this one, questionnaire linked to overview fields. So this specific questionnaire is as its name suggests. So these are linked to the overview fields. Once your client enters any information that is in this um, fields, they will directly be reflected on their client information in the overview field. So it contains date of birth, height. You can choose from height in centimeters, feet with decimals, feet and inches, then weight, kilograms and pounds. So you really have options. Then gender and other information like this one's activity level. So this helps. So you don't have to manually type in their information like this ones, since these are important in calculating their BMR, their protein requirements, and other stuff that are needed in your nutrition calculations. So as an example, I'm just gonna add a weight. So like when you added a new field or created a new field from scratch, it will show insert field here lines, so you can decide where you want to put that. So let's just put it here, then it will show up there. So as you can see, it's two weights already. So it will be also indicated um, if it's linked to client overview. So there are many options like this one's radio boxes. The date is all um, automatically shown as this one when you click on the um, field type that shows date. So you don't have to type in this ones. It will automatically show that. So I'll explain in another video more about the field types. So hope this helps. Thank you so much.